everyone. My name is Sabine, and due to emerging status of COVID-19 in Pakistan, I don't feel safe to go parlors and salon these days. So I have ordered this kit from Brand Conscious. I have ordered this online from their website. So guys, let me show you this kit. As you can see, it has 10 different tools inside, and as the filer, you can see it sharpens the nail in one go. Thank you, Brand Conscious, for sending me this beautiful kit. I really loved it, and you can carry this kit in your bag. It's easy. It's very easy to carry, and as I am carrying this in my bag as I'm traveling or going somewhere else, you guys can also order online from their website as they're offering now free delivery these days. Thank you, Brand Conscious.